afternoon. It is 12:30 on a Sunday, November 17th. 59 degrees. And it is beautiful out here. There is no one visiting the mountains this weekend. Traffic has been very light. The first motorcycles I've seen today. We are heading towards the Needles Gap store. I'm probably going to take a break there because I've been sitting on this thing for a little bit this morning. Unfortunately, the Needles Gap store is closed for the season. That is one old Ford Bronco right there. There were no boats at the boat ramp. There's just nobody out and about in the mountains right now. I went through Robbinsville. Robbinsville was pretty much a ghost town. It looked like they were getting ready to roll up the sidewalks for winter. Put them away until spring. No traffic. Even the people coming out of church, there weren't any, slow traffic due to the churches letting out. But and there you have a new Bronco. I don't know which Bronco's a bigger piece of crap, the old Bronco or the new Bronco. I wouldn't own either. I wouldn't own a Prius either. And that Prius driver does not know what the double yellow line means. There are motorcycles in front of us. With no leaves on the trees, you can see forever on these roads. When they're twisty like this, back and forth. Brought his gold wing out today. Oof. That is the first motorcycle I've had in front of me all morning. Last straight up to the Deals Gap store. See if there are any locals hanging out. I'm thinking there might be a few Dragon Slayers. Not there though. Not even across the street. Alright, that's what Deals Gap store looks like in the wintertime. I'm going to head to the next road. I'll talk to you later.